Vediamo oltre.
So my name is Steve Cox. I'm an architect at Cox Architects, a studio specialising in residential refurbishment projects, often of Victorian buildings in the centre of London. But in this case, we were approached by a family who'd seen a 1920s detached house, which they thought would be ideal for their needs, which revolved around their younger daughter Poppy, who has mitochondrial disease, which means that she's permanently in a wheelchair and so needs a fair amount of assistance day to day. So the family approached us with a view to a project of complete refurbishment, and included in that, obviously, there was a lot of accessibility equipment, such as lifts, hoists, accessible bathrooms, widened doors, hoist tracks and so on. But it was important to them, and a key feature of the design, that the accessibility equipment that we put into this house didn't take over aesthetically, and that it was important to maintain the warmth and feeling of a family home. And the ECLISSE system that we came to, the ECLISSE Hoist, really fit in with that ethos. We'd seen other systems where if you want to get a hoist track from one room to another through a door, obviously, it can end up with a very clunky detail at the top of the door, whereas the ECLISSE system allows you to recess the track into the ceiling and then almost seamlessly pass that track from one side of the door to the other without any big downstand at the top. So we have very tall sliding doors, elegant proportioned sliding doors, which are almost uninterrupted at the top as the track goes across. And I think there couldn't have been a better solution for us in this context than this particular system.
Vediamo oltre.